In this video, I will show you how to clean a Taurus 38 special handgun. Some of these are also convertible with 357s. This is the long barrel or non-snub nose handgun. It is a revolver, and cleaning these is very simple. Push this slide release forward and kick the chamber out. You can see there it is. If you'd like to, you can remove this. However, it's really not necessary depending on how dirty your weapon gets. So get yourself some excellent Rem oil made by Remington. It's a little spray of gun oil, and it has a nice straw like the WD-40 straw. And give a shot inside the chambers there. Shoot some down the barrel. Then grab one of these cleaning patches and your ramming rod and push it through. You can use anything that'll fit through the barrel here, a pencil. The main thing is the type of fabric you push through, you want it to be one that isn't going to leave a lot of lint or anything behind. That's why these cleaning patches are wonderful to use. You can buy them in a box of 100 or so, and they are great for cleaning through barrels. Once you're done with that, get yourself a rag. I like to use a t-shirt, piece of an old t-shirt, cut off the sleeve. That seems to work pretty well. And then wipe down everything else, get all the skin oils off of there, any dirt, grime, gunpowder, or anything like that. Obviously the gun should be unloaded. That goes without saying. As you can see, it is empty. Especially a revolver, they're very easy to make sure they're empty. And really wipe down everything you can with the rag. Get gun oil on it all. You can close the chamber there. Now, one thing that's important, a lot of people like to flip these open and flip them closed. You can do that, but you know, it kind of beats up on the gun a little bit. Sure, they're made to last, but they're not really made to take abuse. So, depends on if you like to do that or not, but I'd recommend not. You're not a kid. You know, this is a weapon. Get in there, get the hammer cleaned off, release, and there we go. And that is it. That is how to clean a Taurus, or really any revolver handgun.